Dear students, herein take next question 9.2. Find sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5. Here 100 and 1000 both are multiples of 5, but here is written between. Between means 100 and 1000 cannot be taken. Your first number, according to question, your first number which is multiple of 5, that is divisible by 5, will be 105, not 100, because between. यहीं पे अगर लिखा होता नेचुरल नंबर फ्रॉम 100 to 1000, तब 100 और 1000 दोनों ले लेते. यहाँ बिटवीन लिखा है तो बाउंड्री छोड़ दें. कॉमन डिफरेंस d इज इक्वल टू 5. रिकॉल यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा. If x is divisible by a and gives b, then x is equal to bx. X is equal to a into b. If you add a divisor in x, then x plus a also divisible by a. X plus a is equal to ab plus a is equal to a into b plus 1. अगर कोई नंबर x a से डिवाइड हो के b कोसेंट दे रही है, तो डिविडेंड में अगर हम a और जोड़ देंगे डिवाइजर को, तो फिर से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 मतलब हर बार 5 5 जोड़ते जाएंगे, डिवाइड होता चला जाएगा. तो एक a की फॉर्म कर लेगा. तो फर्स्ट टर्म 105, कॉमन डिफरेंस d इज इक्वल टू 5. an इज इक्वल टू 995 between 100 and 1000. Find m. Let number of terms be n. Then using a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to an, we have 5, 105 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 995. Implies n minus 1 into 5, don't open this bracket, is equal to 995 minus 105 is equal to 0, 9, 8. This implies n minus 1 is equal to 890 by 5 is equal to 179. Now n is also obtained, therefore Sn is equal to n by 2a plus an is equal to 179 by 2 into 105 plus 995 is equal to 172 by 2 into 179 by 2 into 5 5 10 0 carry 1 1 plus 9 10 carry 0 1 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11 is equal to 179 into multiply these two numbers, you will get result. Thank you. Now take another question. In an AP, the first term is 2, sum of first 5 term is 1/4 of the next 5 terms, so that 20th term is minus 112. Question number 3. In an AP, first term is 2 and sum of first 5 terms, that is yes 5, is 1/4 of which are the next 5 terms. Next 5 terms means yes 5 to 10. This implies 4 yes 5 is equal to yes 6 to 10. 4 yes 5 is equal to yes 6 to 10. This implies 4 yes 5 plus again yes 5 is equal to yes 5 plus yes 6 to 10. Yes 6 to 10 is sum of second 5 terms, that is 6th term, 7th term, 8th term, 9th term, 10th term. If you add first 5 term in this, you will receive 5 yes 5, 4 plus 1 is equal to yes 10. If you are not able to understand in symbolic form, then take expanded version. According to question, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is equal to 1/4 yes 6 A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10. Send this for another side. You will get 4 A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is equal to A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10. Now if you add yes 5 both sides, that is 4 A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus again A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, then this will be equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. Add sum of first 5 terms both sides. So this is 4 yes 4, sum of 5 terms again added. In RHS sum of first 5 terms also added, plus this quantity A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10. Now this is yes 10 and this will be 4 yes 5 plus yes 5. 5 yes 5. This implies 5 into 5 by 2 into 2a plus 5 minus 1 into d is equal to 10 by 2 into 10 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. First of all, okay, first term is given, let common difference is equal to d. This implies this two become cancelled from both sides. 5 into 5 gives 25 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 10 into 2a plus not n minus 1 2a plus 4d is equal to 10 into 2a plus 9d. This implies 50a plus 100d is equal to 20a plus 90d. This implies 30a, send this 20a in left side, is equal to minus 10d. This implies d is equal to minus 3a. This implies d is equal to minus 3 into value of a is given as 2 is equal to minus 6. Now a and d both are known. Then you are required to find that, so that 20th term is minus 112. Now a20 is equal to a plus 19d is equal to 2 plus 19 into minus 6 is equal to 2 plus minus 114 is equal to minus 112. This is your answer. Thank you.